Make quick work of zooming around on your document using Ctrl or Command and the spacebar. I'm recording this video in Photoshop Elements, but it works exactly the same in Adobe Photoshop. Make sure you have the Move tool. Then hold down the Control key in Windows or the Command key on a Mac, along with the spacebar. On a Mac, this is going to bring up the Spotlight search, but you can just ignore that. To zoom in quickly, click and drag on your document on the place that you want to zoom into. And you can quickly zoom back out by dragging in the other direction. If you want to zoom in slower, you can simply click, or you can click and hold. To go back to the full zoom, press Ctrl 0 or Command 0 on a Mac. So that's how to zoom in quickly using the Control or Command key and the spacebar. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing to our channel. This has been Jen White with Digital Scrapper. We help you get your stories told.